love the neons. I like that they let you walk up here too.
There's a food court somewhere where they said that they have.
I think that's hail.
No, it's rain.
Some of those sounded pretty hard to be raindrops.
Those are some big raindrops.
Hi, everybody, and welcome to Redbird Mall here in Dallas, Texas. Though the technical name is the Southwest Center Mall, the original name was Redbird and will be once again when renovations at this place are complete. As you could hear during our visit, we were in the midst of a storm, and I figured to change things up a little bit, I would start the in-mall walking tour with the natural sounds of rain and what I could have swore was hail during our visit. I'll talk to you in just a few. Enjoy. Me too. It's so quiet up here. Okay. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that. Again, I wanted to do something a little bit different and give you guys a chance to hear the rain as
Yeah.
loud as it was for us in the mall. As for the Southwest Center Mall, aka Redbird Mall, this opened up in 1975 by the DeBartolo family. It originally had four anchors, including Sears, J.C. Penney, Sanger Harris, which later became Foley's, and then Macy's, Tichy's, which later became Joske's, if I said that correctly, and then was renamed Dillard's. In the 90s, Montgomery Ward was added, but it closed in 2001 and became Burlington Coat Factory. At this point in time, Burlington Coat Factory is the only anchor, I guess you could say, left. All the other stores that were anchors have left over the past several years. As you can see in this shot, construction is being done at this mall, and on the upper floor where we were just at with the neon lights, all the stores and tenants were relocated downstairs as to complete work on the upstairs. Now, this doorway that we went through here, you're allowed to go through there because that's where the only restrooms are located within the mall outside of the store of Burlington's. So they allow you to go back there and give you a pretty unique experience going up onto this second floor of the mall with literally nothing there. In the early days, this mall did actually pretty well considering it was located in a relatively underdeveloped portion of Dallas in the south. As our friend Connie, who lives in Texas, actually said, around Christmas time you could not find a parking spot in the mall's lots. In the 90s, though, things changed, and the mall started going downhill, and DeBartolo, as a result, decided to remodel the mall in 1996 in an attempt to rejuvenate the look.
Mm-hmm.
It was sold to Namco Financial, which doesn't have a great record of malls, and the mall continued to go downhill, and that's when it was renamed Southwest Center Mall. New food court was added and occupied in 1998 with a price tag of $18 million. It took up the lion's share of updates upon its change of hands and change of name. In addition, Dillard's increased their store size from 100,000 to 150,000 square feet, and Sears renovated their entire store in 1998. Another reason this mall failed was the fact that in the 80s and 90s, demographics began to change in the area. Crime was rising, and the Walmart that I actually filmed not far from this mall actually had a dead body found in its parking lot. So as you can see, that wasn't exactly what businesses wanted, so they took their business elsewhere. And where did they go? Well, the Parks at Arlington Mall was actually a key success, being just 15 miles to the west. And being at that mall a few times myself, that is actually one busy mall and has been very successful. This mall went into bankruptcy in 2008 and then foreclosure, and Madison Capital picked it up. CityView Commercial was formed as a partner with Madison to try and reform the mall. Even though it went into bankruptcy in 2008 and then ultimately went through foreclosure, the Woodmont Company was hired by a bankruptcy trustee to manage it. And in 2008, Woodmont hired a dynamic general manager, which in turn created a team that truly revitalized it. In the late 2010s, redevelopment began on this mall to turn it from a dying mall into a vibrant neighborhood center. And as a result, the name will be changed from Southwest Center Mall back to Redbird Mall, as that is the original name. And if you ask any locals to Dallas or the DFW area and those familiar with the mall, they always and only call it Redbird. I, for one, actually think it's a more unique name, and it's actually proper for the community in that area. So, I'm looking forward to its future and what it will look like next time I visit. I could ramble on more and more, but I will let you enjoy the sounds of Dan Mason, and I'll give you an update video once renovations are complete. We're always going to Texas, Kayla and I, and we're actually going to be returning in the next week for the holidays. So, with that said, we will have a few special videos while we're there, and we hope you enjoy. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate the support and you guys watching the video. Take care, stay awesome, and on Kayla's behalf, have a Kmartlicious day. And we'll see you next time. Happy holidays, everybody.